Welcome to Caerphilly Castle. One of the most impressive medieval fortresses in Wales. Built in the 13th century, this castle was a formidable stronghold and a symbol of power during a time of political turmoil. Whilst you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe to this wonderful channel. As you explore the castle, you'll discover its many features and secrets. The imposing outer walls and towering gatehouses were designed to intimidate any would-be attackers. The castle's moat, fed by the nearby river, was filled with water to prevent anyone from approaching the castle by land. Inside the castle, you'll find a maze of passageways, spiral staircases, and hidden rooms. The Great Hall, where the Lord and his family would entertain guests, is a grand space with a stunning vaulted ceiling. The castle's living quarters are also impressive. With spacious rooms and large fireplaces to keep the castle's inhabitants warm during those long winter months. One of the most interesting features of the castle is the Leaning Tower, which leans more than the Leaning Tower of Pisa. This tower was deliberately built at an angle to avoid collapsing during construction, and it has remained standing for over 700 years. Today, Caerphilly Castle is a popular tourist attraction, and visitors can explore its many features and learn about its fascinating history. From the imposing outer walls to the grand interiors, this castle is a testament to the engineering and architectural skills of the medieval period. We hope you enjoy your visit to Caerphilly Castle and take some time to immerse yourself in the rich history and stories that this magnificent fortress has to offer.